TV, and I'm gonna do another review. And this is Wolverine's Chopper Showdown, and it's set 6866, and it includes 3 minifigures, ages 6 to 12, and there's a comic included, as you may be able to see. And then, well, let's review the minifigs. So, we have 3 minifigs, like I said before. So, Wolverine's claws are cool, but it's not attached to his figure, but they're still cool. And if you were doing the old Batman, if you were buying the old Batman series, you might notice that Wolverine has the same hair as the Joker, except the Joker's hair is green. So let's get on to the figures. So we have Wolverine here. He has the claws, the little belt for the X-Men, and I'll just give you a little sec to look at him. And he does have a double-sided face, so he has a mad face and then a regular face. So, and his claws look like this. So I'll move him aside because, well, we're gonna see Magneto. If you bought some of the Hobbit sets, you might have noticed that there's this cape that looked purple, but it was actually red on the inside. So, but he does not have that feature. He has a cool helmet printing. Another double-sided face. And then he has a cool body printing. And if you noticed, he has this little piece. Lego put that there because he can move anything made out of metal with his mind. So, and then last but not least, we have Deadpool, which he has a gun. But it's more like if you have never mind. And he has 2 swords, a unique back piece that holds the swords in place. He does not have a double-sided face, and actually I never seen any printing on the back of their legs, which is odd. So, and then there's a little, I don't know what that thing is, but little thing on his leg. So let's move on to the structure. Well, actually there's 2 structures. So there's a little motorcycle there. So, little motorcycle. There's a little motorcycle here that comes with the set, and pretty cool. Move on. The biggest thing of the set is the helicopter. I'm gonna use Wolverine as just to demonstrate what it does. So you can open this part if you build it correctly. Just put it on here. And the figure can actually fit inside. So pretty awesome. Well, it takes a little while to put your figure in there. So can put your figure in there. These little side features move, and these missiles shoot. Just go to the back, and you can shoot those. Comes with 4 missiles. And what I noticed when I was building these, there's these little flaps here. They're on both sides. And also there's these little wheels here. And they move, but you'll need 6 of the tires and stuff. Yeah, and they can come off easily, so try not to bother them too much. Okay, so that's it for my review. And again, this comes with the comic book. And you can see the 3 figures here. And on the back, you can see like the some of the characters there. But on the back, there's something that was cool. I thought was cool. And let me just give you a little bit of time at that comic strip right there. Bye-bye.